off the edge of the yard, and the morning light is hitting me twice as hard. I'm sitting on the porch with a ghost in my head, thinking on the words that you never should have said. Now the birds don't sing, the sky turned gray since you packed your bags and you walked away. I got a rusted tool in the back of the shed, and a heart that's heavy like a piece of lead. I'm gonna take that chainsaw to the willow tree, cut down the shade where you sat with me. I'm gonna rip through the wood and the memories too, until there ain't a single splinter left of you. Yeah, the blade is sharp and the oil is black, and what I tear down I ain't building back. I remember the carving we made in the bark, two names together shining bright in the dark. Now it looks like a scar on a dying limb, and my patience for waiting is wearing thin. So I pull on the cord and I hear the roar of 1,000 sorrows knocking at the door. The smell of the gas and the flying dust is the only thing left that I can trust. I'm gonna take that chainsaw to that old tree and cut down the shade where you sat with me. I'm gonna rip through the wood and the memories too, until there ain't a single splinter left of you. Yeah, the blade is sharp and the oil is black, and what I tear down I ain't building back. Timber falling with a thunderous sound, crushing the spirit right into the ground. No more shelter from the pouring rain, just a jagged stump and a lifetime of pain. I'm gonna take that chainsaw to that old tree, cut down the shade where you sat with me. I'm gonna rip through the wood and the memories too, until there ain't a single splinter left of you. Yeah, the blade is sharp and the oil is black, and what I tear down I ain't building back. Just a pile of wood in the afternoon sun. The work is finished and the damage is done. Yeah, the damage is done.